Hey guys, what's up? This is me Hardik. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing fine. I'm elated. I'm excited. Why? Because I've brought some secret AirPods Pro features which nobody else is talking about, but I'm here to talk about them so that it can make your life easier and your experience very immersive. So without any further ado, let's get started. So when you buy your AirPods, the absolute first thing that you should do is to take a ear tip fit test. For that, you need to go to your AirPods menu, and over there, you can find this option called ear tip fit test. Once you'll move ahead in the menu, you'll understand that it'll play some music for you and try to understand the fit of your ear. If at all the fit is not good, it will let you know, and accordingly, you can change the ear tip. After that, the next thing to do is to opt for personalized spatial audio for a 360-degree sound experience. To set it up, you again need to go to your AirPod menu. From there, you select personalized spatial audio. After going inside the menu, you'll understand that you'll have to put your face inside the camera frame so that it can map your head structure. Once the camera is on, it will ask you to move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. After that, you'll have to capture your right ear. For that, you'll need to position the right side of your head in the camera frame with an unobstructed view of the ear. Then you'll have to move your head slightly to the right and then to the left to capture the angles of your ear. And then you'll have to repeat the same process for your left ear as well. And that's it. Your personalized spatial audio is all ready to give you an immersive experience. Another very helpful thing for you would be to put a battery widget on your home screen. For that, you need to tap and hold on your home screen, and then from the plus button, you will select the battery widget. Once the widget is ready, it will show you not only the battery percentage for your iPhone, but also for your AirPods and the case itself. And in case one of your AirPods is resting in the case and with the other one you are having a conversation on call, then in that case, it will show you battery percentage for both the AirPods. And while we are talking about using one AirPod as a mic, did you know that you can actually select which AirPod you want to use as your primary mic? You actually have to go into your AirPods menu, and there you need to select your microphone. It can be either a left AirPod or your right AirPod, or you can also select to automatically switch between your AirPods. Now, if you have your parents or grandparents who have slight hearing problem, then your AirPods can make their life easier and make your life happier. For that, you just need to go to your settings, then Control Center. Over there, you need to add hearing to included controls. With this, you will be able to see an ear icon in your Control Center. Now, you just need to go there and select Live Listen. Now, once Live Listen is on, your AirPods will act as receiver and your iPhone will act as mic. So now you can give your AirPods to the member of your family who have hearing issues, and you can have a conversation with them through iPhone. This will help them hear clearly. And apart from that, if you want to make things spicier, you can always listen to the next door gossips by sliding down your phone in their room, and you can sit in this room hearing the entire conversation over your AirPods. Now, we all know about the noise cancellation capabilities of an AirPod, but today I want to talk about transparency mode in particular. Now, once you go into the AirPod menu and turn on the transparency mode, it will help you to listen clear. And if at all there are background noises, then it will tone them down to a comfortable level to avoid any hearing damages. In addition to that, when you go into health, you just need to go to browse and then go to hearing. Over there, you get all the data by clicking on audio levels. Here you will get a detailed report of what kind of sound decibels you have been exposed to for 6 months or an year. Are you somebody who is into meditation or desperately needs a peaceful sleep? Then I have got something for you. You just need to go to a control center. Over there, you need to press the ear logo, and there you need to select background sounds. Once on, you can select the kind of sound you want to hear, like the sound of ocean, sound of rain, or sound of a stream. In short, whatever keeps you in a peaceful mode, you need to opt for that. Did you know you can actually take your friends on a musical journey where you do not need to share your AirPods, but only share your music? Just open the music app, play any song, and over there, select AirPlay. Over here, you will see all the devices which are nearby you and can be connected to your own device. And that way, you and your friends can jam together. We all use gestures on AirPods a lot. We wake up Siri, we make calls, we end calls, we play music, we stop music. But did you know that you can actually adjust the press duration of your gestures on the AirPods? For that, you just need to go to your AirPods menu. From there, you go to accessibility. Over there, you can adjust the speed required to press 2 or 3 times on your AirPods. That speed can be default, or slower or slowest. Apart from that, you can also adjust the duration required to press and hold on your AirPods. It can be default, shorter or shortest. I hope these features surprised you as much as it surprised me. Do let me know in the comment section below if at all there were any gestures or any features which I missed out. And while you are at it, don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And if you're crazy about Apple just like us, then don't forget to download IGB app from the App Store. This is me Hardik saying goodbye to you. Take care, see you next time. God bless.